Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. It's another day in Poland. Okay, I start my day with my hot cappuccino. And this one, my lunch today with drusdufka. That's another pastry that I like. Jagodzianka, drusdufka, ponchek, so many things, cinnamon. Yeah, so yesterday we bought cinnamon. Today I just want to have my hot cappuccino and drusdufka. Looks so tempting with the plum inside. I really like the fruits because during the summer there are so many fresh fruits that I never tried before when I used to live in Bali. Okay, in short, I paid my hot cappuccino and drusdufka around 19 zloty. And behind me, look at the restaurant. It's so busy. So here's my coffee and drusdufka. I already buy a little bit, and that's actually outside view. This one is on the Yesice district basically, and this is how it looks, the coffee shop. Very busy, and I really like the ambience around. So yeah, very nice. 20, that's the name of the coffee shop, and you see that many young people are actually there. Nice coffee. Okay, let's go walk straight. So we will go to the Rynek Yesice. Here in Yesice there are so many nice shop and also nice restaurant. Basically just like in front of me, that's the restaurant, that's the boutique shop, that's another boutique and restaurant and another shop. Okay, so today we will go to one shop. There are so many nice shop here. This one is actually the second-hand shop. So I'm here in the second thrift shop. Basically there are so many nice collection. Nice. So actually there are so many second-hand. I just buy this dress, it's so pretty. Friend said in Yesice there are so many nice thrift shop or second-hand shop. So I decided to go to like a window shopping from one shop to different shop, and then I found one nice beautiful dress. You know, it's not smelly, it's just maybe they already put it in the laundry. That very nice quality, and then the price for 1 kg is about today 50 zloty. I arrived home and then I checked the price tag of my dress. So the brand is Anthropologie, and the price is about 148 pounds sterling.
Tak?
This is how kilo shop actually in Poland. Look, a very nice quality that I bought. It's about 15 zloty, and you have to pay it by cash. But when I check the, the price tag originally is about
148 pounds sterling, 750 zloty, 3 million rupiah.
This is nice. Oh my god.
How much you
This
pay?
is how kilo shop. Huh?
Tak, how
But
much you
very
pay?
nice quality. Really, very nice.
But how much you pay?
15 zloty.
Right.
I'm so
Interesting.
lucky.
Tak, but nice dress, yeah, like
Very nice.
you happy?
Tak.
Small things but make happy, right?
Tak.
That's the most important thing.
So that was my thrift shopping. Actually, I'm so happy that when shopping in the one thrift shop. Actually, there are so many thrift shop with a very nice quality. And now I would like to take you to shopping again. I love shopping. I would like to go to one supermarket. We will go to Lidl to buy Damian's drink, and let's see how is the pricing look like right now. Oh, there is a nice camper van. That's my dream. I want to travel across Europe with the camper van. And now we are in Lidl. We will go shopping. Let's see. So this one is the vegetables and fruit section. I would like to buy vegetables and fruits. Yeah, this is the pricing basically. Nice. Is the droop, which means chicken. And this one is the pricing. The filet kurczaka. This one is actually fruit section. Here the grapes, and that's the apple, morella, lemon, nice. Arbus. Actually, the bread, the pastries. This one is the bread section. So many choices. I told you bread and pastries here. So good. Like this one. You see pretzel, bulka, baguette. And it is a very cheap and good quality. And they make it fresh every day. Like this. So many choices. And here also they're selling so many kind of pierogi that you just ready to cook. Salad. And this one, fried chicken, ready food. This is like the meat. Actually they also have a tiramisu dessert. I think this one is the Italian food section. Pizza dough, ham. And this one is the cabanos. So many types of the cabanos. Like this. Oh, kielbasa. Kielbasa. So many. Sausage. So many types of meat. Kielbasa. Fish. Salmon losus. Smoked fish, kielbasa, and the cheese. There are so many types of cheese. This one is yogurt section. So many kind of yogurt. This one also the milk and yogurt section, and butter also. This one is the ice cream section, so you can choose many kind of ice cream here. So this one is beer and chips section. You see there are so many types of beer. Lots of beer, and you see best alcohol. I think that nowadays is the trend is the drink best alcohol without the alcohol. Like this one, Gordon's alcohol free, Captain Morgan alcohol free. I think that nowadays the trend of drinking alcohol in Poland is changing, not like as bad as before. So many products without alcohol, like zero alcohol. Here zero alcohol. Zero alcohol. So I'm here gonna buy Damian beer. I will buy this one. Just like this one, 0.0 alcohol. This is Damian's favorite drink, and my husband doesn't drink alcohol, so he just like to have a taste like fizzy drink instead of his Coke. So I have to buy him like a ginger and lemon like this. Nice. Just like this, all is zero alcohol. You see, zero alcohol, free alcohol. Really, the drinking trend in Poland is changing. And just like this is Damian's favorite, 0.0 alcohol. But the rest, still so many alcohol drink here. This one is actually for the seasoning. There are some noodle also, and the sauce, and macaron, and also the price. This is the price of the egg. It's actually 1 crat egg. So this is actually the price of the rice, white rice, 1 kg, 3 zloty. It's around 12,000 rupiah, 15,000 rupiah. So this one is actually the price of the snack. I'll buy this one. Only 5 zloty. So actually this is all my shopping today. It cost me about 59 zloty. what I see is that in the drink section, the trend nowadays is like 0.0 alcohol. Of course, there is some part that is still alcoholic drink. I go also with my friends. Most of my friends, they don't really drink alcohol, and they even said that nowadays the trend of drinking alcohol is getting decreased because of more and more people are aware about the drinking alcohol. Yeah, like last time when we have a dinner, we just have a simple drink and not that not that much alcohol. So yeah. I think that's all our video today, guys, from my shopping today, thrift shop and also grocery shopping. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.